How does negotiation with insurance companies involve in car accidents with government-owned vehicles in Tennessee? Negotiating car accident claims involving government-owned vehicles in Tennessee requires a nuanced approach due to the involvement of governmental entities. Here's a guide on how negotiation with insurance companies evolves in such cases. 1. Identify governmental entity. Determine the specific governmental entity involved, such as a city, county, or state agency. Recognize that governmental entities may have different rules, procedures, and immunity considerations. 2. Understand governmental immunity. Be aware of governmental immunity laws in Tennessee. Governmental entities may have immunity from certain liabilities, but exceptions exist. Understand the scope of immunity and evaluate whether exceptions apply to the circumstances of the car accident. 3. File notice of claim. Adhere to specific procedures for filing a notice of claim against the government entity. In Tennessee, there are often strict timelines and requirements for notifying the government of a potential claim. Failure to comply may jeopardize the ability to pursue compensation. 4. Document damages. Thoroughly document damages resulting from the car accident, including medical expenses, property damage, and other losses. Accurate documentation strengthens your negotiating position and provides a basis for determining fair compensation. 5. Consult with legal experts. Seek legal counsel experienced in dealing with claims against governmental entities in Tennessee. Attorneys familiar with the nuances of governmental immunity and the legal process can guide you through the complexities of negotiation. 6. Evaluate comparative fault. Assess whether comparative fault may come into play. In Tennessee, if the injured party is found partially at fault, their compensation may be reduced. Determine the extent to which each party contributed to the accident and its impact on liability. 7. Engage in pre-suit negotiation. Before filing a lawsuit, engage in pre-suit negotiation with the government entity's insurance carrier. Present a compelling case supported by evidence and explore the possibility of a fair settlement without resorting to litigation. 8. Mediation or alternative dispute resolution, ADR. Consider mediation or alternative dispute resolution, ADR, processes. These methods can provide a forum for reaching a mutually agreeable settlement without going through a lengthy court battle. A neutral third party can facilitate discussions. 9. Governmental insurance policy limits. Be aware of the insurance policy limits of the governmental entity. Insurance coverage may have limitations, and understanding these limits is crucial for assessing the potential for full compensation. 10. Litigation considerations. If negotiation efforts prove unsuccessful, be prepared for litigation. Governmental entities may contest liability, and the case may proceed to court. A well-prepared legal team will be essential in presenting a strong case. 11. Admissibility of evidence. Understand the admissibility of evidence in cases involving governmental entities. Some evidence may be subject to specific rules or limitations, and adherence to legal procedures is vital for a successful case. 12. Public perception and accountability. Recognize the public perception and accountability aspects of cases involving governmental entities. Press coverage and public sentiment may influence negotiation dynamics, and both sides may consider the potential impact on their reputation. Negotiating car accidents with government-owned vehicles in Tennessee demands a strategic and informed approach. By navigating governmental immunity, following proper procedures, and seeking legal expertise, negotiating parties can work towards a fair resolution that addresses the needs of the injured party.